I'm always trying to find better ways to do stuff, more effective ways. And today, this is it. Hey, so look, you might not have noticed this or paid much attention to this, but you can get this mic very minimally right here in the middle of your chest by putting it behind the button and then clipping it on the inside versus it being on the outside. So it gives a smaller, less intrusive profile. But that's not why we're here today. Honestly, having a minimalist setup or being as minimal as possible in different type of situations and shoots is all about being intentional. So minimalist doesn't mean or minimal doesn't mean to have the least amount of things possible. To a degree it does, but it also means to be as intentional as possible. So in this shoot, I only brought the necessary things, and as you'll see at the end, it's not a whole bunch of stuff, but when you unpack it, it seems like a full setup. We only brought 2 tripods for 2 cameras. I brought 3 tripods because I need to set up the behind the scenes camera so you can watch this. 3 tripods, multiple cameras. We took 4 cameras, 3 tripods, 2 tube lights, 1 key light, and we did dual audio. So dual audio is very important when you're recording stuff, so you have multiple audio tracks, and if anything ever goes wrong, you have it. Plus you'll record one at a higher level and one at a lower level. That's some stuff we'll talk about at a later date and a later time. But
That's not helping me, Braxton. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. All right, you ready? All right. Hi, I'm Shakana Lee, aka the Purpose Therapist, and welcome to Purpose Joy. Our goal here at Purpose Joy is to help you on your wellness journey so you can cultivate a real understanding of your purpose and then let that unlock the magnitude of all the joy that's inside of you.
if you notice, I only brought the necessary things, and it doesn't take up much space. I don't have to make multiple trips. I don't have to pull a cart out. And maybe depending on the type of work you're doing, you might need to be more elaborate with the things you bring, make it look better. But I've been shooting with this young lady for years now, so she knows the job's going to get done no matter how it comes in looking. But just bringing the necessary equipment to set up lights, set up cameras. I did dual audio. I ran the Shure SMB7V or something like that into one camera. I ran the DJI mics into another camera, so I didn't have to even bring a recorder. So doing dual audio into both cameras versus having scratch audio. So now you got high quality audio coming from both cameras. Being very specific in the structure that you're doing and making sure that all the pieces fit together properly is very important, because then it's easier for you to break down, pack up, and leave, and come in set up, because you know you have the pieces that you need to put them in the places that they need to be in order for your filming process or your photo shoot to go as it's supposed to go. If you like this video, I will make one like a minimal photo setup for a photo shoot, and just let me know if you want to see something like that. If any of this is going to help you in your business or in your creative journey, just go ahead and subscribe, because I'll keep making stuff like this. Let me know how your minimalist setup worked, and maybe it was some stuff I didn't have to bring, but it made sense for today. But I'll see you on the next video.